Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and welcome back to the channel. On this week's video, we're talking about fog lights and fog light accessories from Noble for your 2022 to present Subaru WRX. Damn it, Bobby. That's right, guys and girls. On the table in front of me is two different fog light options that the good people at Noble have served up. No matter if your car came equipped with factory fog lights and you're looking for a brighter upgrade, or you want to add fogs to your non-equipped vehicle, Noble has some options. So let's start with just the fog light upgrade. In this kit, Noble provides your choice of clear or popular yellow lenses, bracketry for both housings, mounting hardware, wiring harness, and a dedicated fog light button that can be installed into your dash for that OEM look. This is a great option if you already have fog lights and want to change the color of that light and upgrade to a brighter, wider light pattern. Or you like the look of the fog lights and want to combine that look with a different bezel option such as OEM. Our second option is everything you saw there, but with the included DRL plug-and-play bezels. These bezels offer a great look, combining the factory honeycomb with the iconic sparkle of D4S Black. Included is the white DRL light with integrated turn signal, all packaged together with a plug-and-play, no-nonsense wiring harness. Combine the two options of fog lights and DRL and really start to set your vehicle apart in a crowd. Seeing it on the table is cool and talking about it is awesome, but how much different is the Noble fog light compared to the OEM option? Thanks for taking a look at the Noble Luxe LED fog light kits for the VB chassis WRX. Keep in mind, both of these products are covered under the Noble limited lifetime warranty, giving you the confidence that you're buying a great product. So for thousands of parts just like this, plus tons more, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all of the best deals on the web and in the world, and we'll catch you on the next one.